Good evening to all. In this lecture, I am going to teach rate analysis of plain cement concrete. Suppose I have to prepare rate analysis of PCC with proportion 1 as to 3 as to 6. That is 1 as cement, 3 as crushed sand and 6 as coarse aggregates. Now see solution. Assume weight volume quantity of PCC equal to 10 cubic meter. Okay, for every atom in rate analysis, if unit of measurement of that atom is cubic meter, then always assume 10 cubic meter quantity for rate analysis calculation purpose. Okay, then when water is added to mixture of cement, sand and coarse aggregate, chemical reaction occurs between cement and water, and due to chemical reaction volume decreases. Hence, to obtain 10 cubic meter weight volume, it is required to increase 52% extra dry volume. Hence, add 52% dry volume. Then quantity of PCC, that is dry volume quantity, equal to 1.52 into 10. You will get 15.2 cubic meter. This is total dry volume quantity which is required for rate analysis purpose. Okay. Now I can find material quantities. In that, first material is cement. Hence, quantity of cement equal to total dry volume, that is 15.2 cubic meter, divided by 1 plus 3 plus 6, that is proportion. You will get quantity of cement equal to 1.52 cubic meter. It is one unit quantity, that is proportion is 1 as to 3 as to 6. 1 unit quantity, this is for cement. Hence, quantity of cement becomes 1.52 cubic meter. Volume of 50 kg cement bag equal to 0.035 cubic meter. Hence, quantity of cement in terms of bag equal to 1.52 divided by 0.035 cubic meter. Hence, you will get quantity of cement in terms of bags, that is 43.5 bags. Same way, you can calculate fine aggregate quantity, that is crushed sand quantity. 1 unit volume is 1.52 cubic meter into proportion for crushed sand is 3 into 3, you will get 4.56 cubic meter, that is 1.61 brass. 1 brass equal to 2.83 cubic meter. Hence, it becomes 1.61 brass. Then, quantity of coarse aggregate equal to 1.52 into 6 equal to, you will get 9.12 cubic meter, that is 3.22 brass. Then, according to market survey, rate of crushed sand, it is 6,000 per brass, that is 2,120 rupees per cubic meter. Same rate of coarse aggregate equal to 2,600 per brass, that is 920 per cubic meter. After that, after this calculation of material quantities, you have to prepare rate analysis table. In this table, first column is for particulars, second column is for quantity, third column is for unit, fourth column is for rate, and last column is for cost. Prepare this table. After that, first you can calculate cost required for materials. First material is cement, second is sand, crushed sand, and third is coarse aggregate. According to previous calculations, cement quantity is 43.5 bags, crushed sand quantity is 4.56 cubic meter and coarse aggregate quantity is 9.12 cubic meter. And from market survey you know all rates. Cement rate 300 per bag, sand rate 2120 per cubic meter, coarse aggregate rate 920 rupees per cubic meter. Then you will get cost of each material. For cement, this 43.5 into 300 you will get 13,050 rupees. Same for crushed sand, 4.56 into 2120 you will get 9,667. Then for coarse aggregate 9.12 into 920 you will get 8,390 rupees. That is total material cost is 31,107 rupees. After that I can calculate labor cost. You know there are different types of labors are required for each work. First is head mason, in Marathi you can say mukadam. Then second mason, third is majdur, fourth is boy or woman coolie, fifth is bhishti including curing, then scaffolding if any, and last sunrise, tools and plants, etc. Then according to task work means capacity of labor to do work in one day, that is 8 hours. According to task work, for 10 cubic meter PCC work, 1/3 head mason is required. Mason requirement is 2. Majdur, 12 number of majdurs are required for 10 cubic meter PCC according to task work. Boy or woman coolie requirement is 20. Bhishti requirement is 6. Scaffolding lump sum, but for this PCC there is no any scaffolding is required, hence amount is 0. Then sunrise, tools and plants you can take lump sum amount. Okay, then according to market survey of labors, you know per day charges of labors. For head mason 600 per day, for mason 500 per day, majdur 350 per day, boy or woman coolie 300 per day, bhishti 300 per day. Then lump sum amount for tools and plants you can assume it 300. Then you will get cost of each type of labor, and after addition you will get 13,500. Then you can find total cost of materials and labors. Means this 31,107 plus 13,500 you will get total cost of material and labor, that is 44,607. Then in this I can add 1.5% for water charges, that is 669 rupees. This 1.5% of this amount, that is material plus labor, 1.5% of this 44,607 you will get 669. Same you can add 10% contractor profit in this 44,607, hence you will get 4,461 rupees. Then you will get grand total. Grand total means addition of these three costs, that is total cost of material and labor, then addition of 1.5% for water charges, and addition of 10% for contractor profit. After addition of all these three you will get grand total, that is 49,737 rupees. After that you can find out rate per cubic meter, that is this amount is for 10 cubic meter. You have to find out rate per cubic meter.